Everybody, this is Scott from Lofta, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Transcend Micro 510. So let's get into it. Slide this bad boy off. Got a nice thank you here from Transcend. Check out the device here. So the new 510 comes in 3 different colorways. This is going to be the blue one. They also have a gray and pink, and then the classic white. So I like this blue color. Reminds me a little of the Lofta blue, actually. So think micro, dream big. We've got a QR code here to scan the app, which you'll need to use so you can control everything. Here we've got an included machine air filter. So just for reference, it's going to go here on the side. If you just pop this out here, you can see that's where that goes in. Okay, so that's nice. Included air filter. You get a hose, travel case. So you can see here, nice hard, plastic, or I'm not sure what this material is called, but it is a nice hard case for it. And if we unzip it, we've got the air mist filter. So that's all included in there. That's the heat moisture exchange, so gives humidity or humidification to your air without needing water. Got a muffler here, so that will help with dampening some of the noise. And then 2-part power supply and the manual. So pretty good package for the price. I would say, in my opinion, in comparison to the Air Mini, you're not going to get a hose. You're going to do a separate setup pack. You do not get a case with it. No muffler. You do get the humid or the Humidex with the setup pack, but that won't be included with just the device package. So overall, I think a pretty good value for a travel CPAP. If you have any other questions or want to see more videos around the Transcend, let us know in the comments. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.